Hello, I am Pramila. I am from Team Bitbreakers. Today I am going to explain about the Armani Exchange Landing Page. First we can see the output of this page. So this is the overall output of this project. Here we have added the logo with name Armani Exchange and we have given the heading in HTML file and we have added the image related some matter about it, and we have separated the men and women clothing with some quotations below it. And to explore more about this product, we have gave the name with explore accessories. So when we can click on this men and women, we can go to the site of these products. Now let's go to the project how we have created this. So first I have created a folder with name Armani Exchange, and I have installed Visual Studio Code. Here in file I have opening the folder which I have created just now with name Armani Exchange. In this folder I am creating two files. First file with name index.html where we can write HTML file, and the second file with name style.css where we can write CSS code. So first we can go with HTML code. This is the basic part of HTML with title Armani Exchange, and here we have linked the CSS file to this HTML file. Here in header we have added a image that is Armani Exchange logo. We can add it here also. I have already took the images from Google and I have kept it here. Let us add it here. Now once we can see the output. So we have added the logo which we can see in the output. Next, going to the next part. So here in section class we have written the content. The content is women, men, style tips. This we have given as heading to the output page. This we have given as image to the output, heading to the output page, and we have wrote the content, and we have added the another image. We have added the another image with some content. Step into the summer section and this all, and we have added mix, match, repeat. Once again we can see the output. So this is the heading which we have given just now, and this is the small information about the picture. Here we are not getting the picture because whatever the name we have given here, the same name we have to give it here. So we can add the another picture. We can add the another picture here. As I told, I have already took these pictures from Google. Now once again we can see the output. Here we are not getting the picture because whatever the name is present here, same name we have to take it in the file also. ax.jpg, here one is added extra, so let me delete it. Again we can go to the go live option. So now we are getting the image here. Let us go to the remaining part. So here in this section class, we have given the name as boxes and separately for box for men and for women. And for men, we have given a small information about discover our latest collections for men, and for women we have wrote the explore our stylish collections for women. Once we can see the output. So here we are getting the information. Below men we are getting the information which we have given to the men, and below women same as we have given in HTML. And going to the remaining part. So here in another section we have divided the class with explore accessories for men and women, where we can explore more about this product. We can get the output here, explore accessories for men and women. This is all about the HTML file. Now let us go to the CSS file. So in CSS file, first we have created a body with margin 0, padding 0, and in header file with background white color and text align as center, and we have taken the padding as 20 pixels. So here for image 1, we have given the maximum width as 100% and height auto, display block, margin as 0 auto, and for the image behind the content we have taken the background as white color and the text align as center and padding as 10 pixels, and for the content of the image same image margin we have took as 0, padding 10 pixels, font size 16 pixels. Depending upon these, the background color, height and everything will be changed. Once we can go to the output and let us see the changes. So here we can see the height and the information related to this, as we have changed the height and etc. background. Next, going to the next part. Next, this is the content behind the image. We have given as display as flex, align items as center, justify content as center, padding 20 pixels and background color as white. For everything we have given the background as white, and here we have given the maximum width as 50%, height as auto, and margin to the right side as 20 pixels. And this is the matter about the second image. For second image's content we have given as text align to the left side and font size as 24 pixels, margin bottom as 10 pixels and 16 pixels and line height as 1.5 pixels. And this here we have created the boxes separately for men and women. For that we have given the width as 45%, padding 20 pixels and background color as white. And for the other box we have given font size as 24 pixels, margin bottom 10 pixels, and here for another box font size as 16 pixels, line height as 1.5 pixels. Once we can see the output so that we can understand. So here we have created different boxes for men and women as separately and for explore accessories separately. And here for explore accessories also we have given the background color as white, padding 20 pixels and margin bottom as 10 pixels and line height as 1.5. This is the overall code of CSS file. Now we can see the overall output of this project. So here now we can see the overall output. Here with the logo Armani Exchange which we have added the image and the heading which we have given in HTML file and the image with some matter. And for men and women we have created the different boxes. And for explore accessories also we have created the another box with some name men's and women's which we can see more about this product. And here we can see about the men's clothing and here about women's clothing. So this is the overall output of this project. Thank you for watching.